I welcome you to 2001 Onam celebration. Ellavarkkum Onashamsagal. Thank you all for coming to celebrate Onam with us. It is also a time to remember and reflect the natural and man-made disasters, especially 9/11 and the recent troubles we had with Hurricane Irene. Let us all stand for a moment of silence in memory of those who lost their lives. Thank you. This is the first time, in my knowledge, Kerala Association of Connecticut is serving Sadhya style lunch. Did you enjoy the experience? Yes. We should do it again. It is a labor intensive, and all those who helped, please give a round of applause for the enthusiasm and their effort. We have a very good program organized by our Arts Club committee, and I hope you all enjoy this. And next, I would like to introduce some of the activities that are happening in and around Hartford. Next week is Milan's cultural program celebration. Hope many could participate in the walk or perform at their program. They're looking for 3 performances from us. So contact all Arts Club members or me, and we can arrange that for next week. One of our customs during Onam is to give gifts of new clothes or money to our relatives and neighbors in our community. In that spirit, few members have made sizable donations to CACT and challenged us to give to our local community. We have been richly rewarded from our local community, and this is a way to give back to the community in which we live. We formed a committee for this purpose, and Suresh Nair is head of this committee, and he will introduce some of those local community organizations to us. At this time, I want all the committee members and board of directors to come to the stage. I'll be introducing them soon. Our sponsors help us bring this program at reduced rate, and today we have both non-profit and for-profit sponsors. We plan to give them a few minutes to talk about their organization in between programs. With the help of my able committee members, we managed to bring some programs during this year. Please let me present this year's committee to you. Hope all of you are here. I don't know who are all here. Vice President Kurian Varghese, can you come? Treasurer PM Jacob, I can't see. Can you come? No. Secretary Samima Rauter, Arts Club Secretary Shivadas Shivkumar. I guess he had to wave from there. Joins Arts Club Secretary Srividya. Election Officer C.T. Varghese. Here. Auditor Jacob Thomas. Auditor Radhakrishnan Nair. Board of Directors Tom Odekal. Rini Jacob. Suresh Nair. Anna George. Lissy Varghese. Binu Jacob. John Chandy. Stephen Joseph. Please, okay. Do you want to say anything? No? Okay. Thank you all for coming. Please give a round of applause for these people who have helped us. Thank you.